Hello. Last Tuesday I flew the Aronka up to White Waltham. It was a fantastic flight. I'll document the flight to White Waltham and back from White Waltham separately. But I just wanted to talk about the tiedowns, because that was the reason for me making a set of tiedowns recently, was for this trip and another trip that's coming up in September. The tiedowns were almost a complete success. This pair, or this set rather, because it's four sticks and the tube, worked a treat. I had no trouble bashing it in the ground, and yeah, it was absolutely fine, nor pulling them out. And I pull the tie downs out by grabbing the end, each one with a set of molars like that, and a wiggle and a good yank, and they came out the ground. On the other side I must come across some stones, because 3 out of the 4 rods bent. You see, that one's quite badly bent, and I had a devil of a job driving them in, even with my nice aluminium, notice that, American friends, aluminium faced hammer, or mallet. And this one burred over, look, it's burred over to the point I can't pull it out of the tube. So I didn't bother putting points on them, and I realise now that I was being a bit of a bunny, to be honest. So I came back and of course realised that I could feed this rod. It just fits through the headstock on my little Drummond lathe. So I'm going to straighten these that are bent and turn points on all of them. I'll have to file the burr off of this and then straighten it and put a point on it. So if you make a set of tie downs, do put points on. I was talking nonsense. Anyway, let's get on and straighten them. Well, that didn't take long. So there's 2 sets of 4. They can go back in the hanger now. I'm sure they'll be a bit more effective. They're pointier than Madonna's bra, so hopefully they're bashing the ground all right. And unfortunately, I didn't take any pictures of the covers on the aircraft either. The reason why will become apparent in the other video about the journey. Let's say it was rather time limited. Anyway, that's a bit of fun. Thanks for watching. See you soon.